So here we go, we got the frame fully assembled, very simple to do. The legs just pull out and snap in place, and there you go. You can see our twin bed frame right here. Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to be checking out the Amazon Basics twin bed frame. I did purchase this product myself, and any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product, you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description below. You can see the package contents right here. So we have our twin bed frame and we have our user guide and manual. Now let's go over the user guide and look at the setup instructions. So looking at the user guide, you can see we have 3 different language options. We also have our package contents. So in this case, we have our platform bed and a nice breakdown depending on which size you get and what you can expect. So once we jump up to queen or king, we get 2 frames, but for twin and twin XL, we just get 1 frame. And we have our plastic bolt hardware kit. We do not get that with the twin or the twin XL, but we do get 2 of those for the larger sets. Then we have our instructions right here. There's 4 easy steps for assembly. So you can see step 1 is we got to unfold our frame. Step 2 is we got to snap and lock the legs in place. Step 3 is we flip it over, and in that case, we're all done. Step 4 is going to be for your larger size bed frames where you're going to attach the included bolts. But in our case, we're basically just going to unfold this and it's going to be set up. So here we go. We got the frame fully assembled. Very simple to do. The legs just pull out and snap in place. And there you go. You can see our twin bed frame right here. Nice metal construction, very durable and solid, yet it's still portable and easy to disassemble and fold up as needed. We have 14 inches of ground clearance, so we can easily store a lot of stuff under our bed. But if for some reason that's not enough room, or you want your bed to be higher up off the ground, don't forget there's an 18-inch version available. So you can see the 14-inch clearance right here, plenty of room underneath. The best feature by far for this bed is that it's highly portable, very easy to assemble and take down as needed. Probably the biggest complaint I would have is due to its portability. We do have some additional braces on the front and the back side that do eat into some of your storage space. But again, it's not the end of the world here. So if you like to have the portability and the ability to fold up your frame and easily move it, maybe you're pretty transient or you're planning a move soon, but you still want something in the meantime, then a frame like this is great. If for some reason you're trying to just maximize under bed storage and you don't need the portability factor, then you can find some other frames out there on the market today that don't have those support pieces in place that free up even more space under your bed.